Tetanus is an acute, often fatal disease caused by an exotoxin produced by the bacterium Clostridium tetani, but prevented by immunization with tetanus toxoid. It is characterized by generalized rigidity and convulsive spasm of skeletal muscle. The muscle stiffness usually involves the jaw and neck and then becomes generalized. Neonatal tetanus is a form of generalized tetanus that occurs in newborn babies. Neonatal tetanus occurs in infants born without protective passive immunity because the mother is not immune. It is usually occurs through infection of the unhealed umbilical stump, particularly when the stump is cut with an unsterile instrument. Neonatal tetanus is common in some developing countries. Then coming to incubation period. Usually incubation period range from 3 to 21 days but can range from the day of injury to several months. Average incubation period is 10 days. Depends on character, location and extent of wound. Then prevention of neonatal tetanus. Clean delivery practices alone is effective about 90%. The cleans are 5 cleans: clean hand, clean razor, clean surface and clean cord tie, clean cord stump without any applicant. Tetanus toxoid protects both mother and child. Unimmunized pregnant women 2 doses tetanus toxoid 16th and 36th week. First dose as early as possible during pregnancy. Second dose at least a month later or 3 weeks before delivery. Immunized pregnant women, a booster is sufficient. No need of booster in every consecutive pregnancy. To newborn of unimmunized mother 750 international units within 6 hours of birth. Other measures of prevention of tetanus include prevention of tetanus divided into 3 types, that is general prevention, prevention of neonatal tetanus and prevention of tetanus after injury. Prevention. Tetanus is completely preventable by active tetanus immunization. Immunization is thought to provide protection for 10 years. Active immunization divided into combined and monovalent type. Then active, in that A is combined, offered the routinely in combination with diphtheria vaccine and killed B. pertussis organism as DPT vaccine. First dose at 6th week DPT, second dose at 10th week, third dose is 14th week, first booster is 18th month, second booster is 5th completed year, that is DPT, and third booster is 10th year, that is tetanus toxoid, and fourth booster is 16th year tetanus toxoid. Coming to monovalent vaccine, purified tetanus toxoid supplemented the plain toxoid, higher and long-lasting immunity response. Primary course of immunization 3 doses. Each one is contains 0.5 ml. Injection into arm given at intervals of 0 to 12 months. The longer the interval between 2 doses, better is the immune response. Booster dose after 5 years, forward backward every 10 years. stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and must not be allowed to freeze at any time. Then coming to passive immunization. Temporary protection, human tetanus immunoglobulin or anti-tetanus serum. Human tetanus hyperimmunoglobulin 250 to 500 international units. Produce protective antibody level for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Does not cause the serum sickness. Longer passive protection compared to horse ATS anti-tetanus serum 30 days or 7 to 10 days. Produced at Serum Institute Pune. Anti-tetanus serum. If women anti-tetanus serum not available, 1500 international units subcutaneous after sensitivity testing. Protection 7 to 10 days. High risk of serum sickness. It stimulates formation of antibodies to it, and a person who has once received anti-tetanus serum tends to rapidly eliminate subsequent doses. Then coming to tetanus prone wound. A wound sustained more than 6 hours before surgical treatment. Compound fractures, deep penetrating wounds, wounds containing foreign body, wounds complicated by pyogenic infections, wounds with extensive tissue damage, any wound obviously contaminated with soil or dust. Reimplantation of an avulsed tooth is also a tetanus prone event. Coming to National Immunization Schedule for pregnant women. Tetanus toxoid 1 when given to early in pregnancy 0.5 ml intramuscular upper arm, and tetanus toxoid dose 2 is 4 weeks after tetanus toxoid 1 dose 0.5 ml intramuscular upper arm, and the tetanus toxoid booster dose is if taken 2 doses of tetanus toxoid in pregnancy within last 3 years. Give before 36 weeks. Give TT to a woman in labor if she has not got TT before. 0.5 ml intramuscular upper arm. TT vaccine injected into muscle of upper thigh. Side effects is mild pain, redness, warmth and swelling up to 3 days. Tetanus toxoid period of protection. Tetanus toxoid dose 1 at first contact with women of childbearing age or as early as possible in pregnancy. The dose is no protection. And second dose of TT at least 4 weeks after tetanus toxoid dose 1, it gives the 3 years protection. And tetanus toxoid 3 dose at least 6 months after tetanus toxoid dose 2 gives 5 years protection. Tetanus toxoid 4 dose at least 1 year after tetanus toxoid 3 dose gives 10 years protection, and tetanus toxoid 5 dose is at least 1 year after tetanus toxoid 4 dose all childbearing years gives protection. Then coming to prevention of tetanus after injury. All wounds should be thoroughly cleaned after injury. Remove all foreign bodies, soil, dust, necrotic tissues. Then A means those who have completed the full course of tetanus toxoid within past 5 years, that patient not required any treatment. And B means those who have completed the full course of tetanus toxoid greater than 5 years but less than 10 years, they require the tetanus toxoid 1 dose. C means those who have completed the course of tetanus toxoid greater than 10 years. That person required the tetanus toxoid dose 1 plus human tet immunoglobulin. D means those who have not completed the full course of tetanus toxoid or in whom the immunization status is unknown. They require the tetanus complete course plus human tet immunoglobulins. These are the preventive measures of tetanus.